Okay, guys, how much sharing and caring do we have going on? Quinn's got a bone. We've already had Levi check that bone out, and I think it's going to happen again. There we go. Levi, okay, Levi's got one in. Quinn's got the other. Oh my. Not like this. Levi says, it's my bed, it's my bone, you're in my spot. Quinn is enjoying the whole thing. Meanwhile, someone is far more interested in my computer. Levi? Not yours. Well, apparently everything is Levi's.